Hi guys, welcome back to Junris Vlog Adagre. So for today's video reaction, let's go to our favorite country, which is Russia. Привет and spasibo to our Russian friends. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And this is a video request reaction by Andre Shikskin. Andre Andre Shiskin, thank you so much for suggesting with this amazing video that we need to do some reaction for today, entitled Scarlet Sales 2021, the best moments of the pyrotechnic show, fireworks, St. Petersburg's Scarlet Sales, Russia. Oh my god. And credit to the owner also with the video, of course. Your live, I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video. And if you're new to my channel, just click on subscribe button, click on notification bell so that you'll be updated on our future uploads. And if you have some comments and suggestions related to this video or any Russian videos that you can suggest, drop it in the comment section. I'd love to read and respond you all and make your video request. So let's get to it, guys. Enjoy watching and listening with this one. I really want to hear also with you at the comment section what are your thoughts with regards to this video. My god. Wow. Thank you so much for this one. Thank you so much, Andre Chiskin, for suggesting with this Scarlet Sales 2021, best moments of pyrotechnics. I love fireworks. Wow, they're having fun. They're enjoying the show. Oh, what a beautiful scenery of the night. Oh, wow. That's amazing. The sky is full. Oh my god. I really want to enjoy this one for real. Oh goodness. This is beautiful. Wow, St. Petersburg is a very nice city. Oh wow, I love the song. Wow. Oh my god, this is for real. This is insanely beautiful. It's good. Wow, it's breathtaking. Oh my god, I really want to experience like this in the future. Wow. It's incredible. This is so amazing. Wow. Oh wow. That sky full of fireworks. Insanely beautiful. How cool is this one? This is perfect. Oh my god. Bravo. Bravo. Oh, it changed the mood also.
Сидишь ли ты в кругу своих друзей, чужих небес, любовник беспокойный, или снова ты проходишь тропик знойный и вечный лед полуночных морей? Счастливый путь с лицейского порога, ты на корабль перешагнул шутя, и с той поры в моря твоя дорога. О, волны бурь, любимое дитя!
Oh my god. I cannot imagine the preparation of this.
Прекрасен наш союз, он как душа, неразделим и вечен, неколебим, свободен и беспечен. Остался он под сенью дружных муз. Друзья мои, прекрасен наш союз, он как душа, неразделим и вечен, неколебим, свободен и беспечен. Остался он под сенью дружных.
I get goosebumps with it. I get chills in this like pyrotechnics display. It's amazing. This is phenomenal. Like having the people enjoy this pyrotechnics. That's incredibly amazing of St. Petersburg, the government. Kudos and salute to the government or making with this like a nice event that people can enjoy. Oh, this is the call that the title is Scarlet Sales 2021. Oh, wow! They put it like the flag of Russia. What amazing is this? Really, really amazing. They really prepared this huge event. The preparation was so fantastic. Wow. This is cool. I love seeing those sky with full of fireworks. Oh, oh my god, this is so real. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm enjoying also with it. Even like this is just like seeing on the screen. Oh, Russian anthem. I love to hear this beautiful Russian anthem. Even the lights is like symbolize the flag of Russia. Wow. So nice. Bravo. Oh, the finale of it. Fantastic. Woo. Wow. Thank you so much, Andre Shiskin, for suggesting with the Scarlet Sales 2021 Best Moment of Pyrotechnic. It was so incredible. Phenomenal performance. I cannot imagine of the preparation of this one. And kudos to those people who made this this pyrotechnic so possible, because a lot of people, thousands of people enjoyed with that fireworks. And sometimes it's just like it happens in once in a year, and you made this people in St. Petersburg or all over part in Russia and to witness with us with that wonderful pyrotechnics things. That event is such a fantastic one. Also, my God, the way the songs, and then of course the finale song of the Russian anthem, and seeing those like the boats or how it sails with the flag of Russia, and even the lights, it's like symbolize the flag of Russia also. And those fireworks were phenomenal and amazing, and such an impeccable one, insanely good and great. I hope guys you enjoyed with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. And if you do, and if you really want to see the full video and connect with the owner of the video, I'll put in the description box below. If you like this video guys, same as I did, just give a massive thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe also with my channel. And this is Junris Blagadag React saying stay humble, stay positive guys. If you want to connect, my social media account is in here. If you want to connect, my second account is in the description box below. Thank you so much, Privet, and SPASIBO to our Russian friends. Have a good day everyone. Bye bye and mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless po, and see you on my next video reaction.